Hey everyone, in this super short video we're going to be installing this JDC titanium dipstick handle onto the Evo 5. So yeah, this is what we're installing here, and it uses the stock dipstick, and it's the JDC titanium dipstick handle. It is shorter than the OEM item, and this is a little bit wider here, but just looks fantastic. And you can see it comes with the rubber grommets and everything, the O-rings, sorry, already installed. The reason why I'm fitting this is because A, the Pulsar has a titanium dipstick from Masterpiece in Thailand, I think they are, and I thought, well, the Evo deserves one too. But also my car's got the radium fuel pressure regulator and a different inlet manifold, and there isn't enough room there really for the dipstick. It's a bit of a sort of pain in the arse, so I thought I'd get a nice aftermarket one, and JDC were the first ones that came up, and fantastic bit of kit. I went for the burnt titanium finish like I've got on the Pulsar. So yeah, let us get the thing installed. Basically, such a quick thing to do. You just need to tap out this retaining pin here that holds the dipstick in place, and then just use the same retaining pin and fit it into here once we fit the dipstick. So let us do that. Okay, so there we go. Hopefully you can see this all right with the head cam, but the pin is now pushed in properly. Bit fiddly, and I had to sort of compress the pin a little bit first just to get it started, and then I ended up using a Torx bit for the drill and hammering that in just to sort of get it in properly. But there we go, that is it. Just need to install it on the car now and see how it looks. So there we go, we are done. Hopefully, as I always say these days, you can see the thing in one of my Japanese caves, but yeah, it's pretty well hidden back there. So money well spent aesthetically on a piece of titanium when you can't see it, but I know it's there, that's all that matters. So that is it for this video. Hopefully you found it useful. That is how to reuse the dipstick and install a new dipstick handle on the Evo. Next video is probably going to be back on the Pulsar, I hope, but there is more Evo content coming at some point. I just need to sort of prioritise things and what have you. I'm just getting a bit carried away with the Nissan still at the moment. So thank you for watching.